Drinking is something essential in our life. We eat and we drink. And the Prophet used to drink, alayhi salatu wasalam. However, there are etiquettes for drinking that the Prophet also taught us and practiced it, sallallahu alayhi wasallam. From his sunnah, he used to love sweet water. Unlike what the super Sufis would say, because they would say, no, we don't drink anything sweet. We don't drink anything that is luxurious. So we would like to eat salted water, rotten food, or food that is not old bread. All of this is not part of Islam. The Prophet ﷺ used to love to eat meat, especially the shoulder. He used to love to eat sweets, and he used to love to drink sweet water, which means that as long as Allah made things halal for you, enjoy it. Why make life difficult? Oh, because I'd like to be closer to Allah. And who told you that making life difficult for you gets you closer to Allah? Allah made these things halal for us to enjoy without extravagance. So you can do that without any problem. Among the etiquettes, it is sunnah to drink while sitting down. Anas ibn Malik says the Prophet ﷺ prohibited people from drinking standing up. And Abu Hurairah said, the Prophet said ﷺ, one must not drink standing up. But there are other hadiths that conflict with this. For example, Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, says the Prophet ﷺ drank Zamzam water while he was standing up. Narrated by Ibn Abbas, reported in Al-Bukhari. An-Nazzal, he says, I came and met Ali and I brought him some water, so he started drinking standing up. So he noticed that I didn't like him drinking standing up. So he said, there are people who hate drinking standing up, and I saw the Prophet ﷺ did what you've just saw me done, what you have just seen me do. Meaning, I saw the Prophet drink standing up. Number 3, Abdullah ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, says, we used to eat at the time of the Prophet ﷺ while walking. We used to eat. And we used to drink while standing. And Abdullah ibn Umar, Amr, may Allah be pleased with him and with his father, says, I saw the Prophet ﷺ drinking, standing up and sitting down. And also what Imam Malik reported in his Muwatta, Umar, Uthman, Ali, Ibn Umar, Ibn Zubair, may Allah be pleased with them all, used to drink standing up, and reported that Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas and Aisha thought that this was totally permissible. So after all of these authentic hadiths, how can we combine between what seems to be conflicting? Ibn Abdul Barr said, it's very easy, because whenever we have conflicting rules like this, it means that the hadith of prohibition would be degraded into not recommended. And the hadith of doing it would mean that it is permissible. And this is the best approach whenever we have two conflicting evidences, is to try to combine between them. And this is one of the means of combining.